tip lang, for annual tax, minsan kasi kapag annual tax na siya, medyo mabigat kasi nga kukunin mo na yung total for the whole year. And meron kasi yung iba na saka lang sila magre-report during the annual. Ngayon, kung masyadong mabigat siya, alam nyo ba na kapag annual income tax, pwede kayong mag-installment payment? Kailangan ilagay nyo dun sa ITR ninyo that you will make use of the installment payment. So you will pay your total tax due in two installments. The first installment will be on the April 15, and then on the second installment, you will pay it 6 months after, that will be October 15. So halimbawa, ang total tax due mo ay 100,000. Ngayon, may creditable withholding tax ka, halimbawa na 3,000. So kumbaga, ang tax due mo na lang ay 97K. So under the tax code, you can pay that in installments. So yung 100,000, hatiin mo into two. So 100,000 divided by 2, 50K on the first installment, 50K on the second installment. The creditable withholding tax na 3,000 dun sa example natin, you can claim it in full already on the first installment. So if ever medyo nabibikatan kayo on your tax due for annual income tax, actually, you can pay in installments. So, two installments. Hindi na. Kailangan nyo lang ilagay doon sa tax return ninyo that you are using installment payment for the payment of your taxes. So, you will pay it first installment April 15, second installment October 15.